Growing flowers and vegetables on the balcony. Bug bites. But what if you don't want to use chemical pesticides? Very simple. Teach you to make your own natural plant sterilization and insect repellent water. The ingredient we need to use is 3 garlic. 像 morning pepper. The hotter the chili, the better the effect. And a piece of ginger and a bottle of baijiu mixed with water. Next, cut the chili and ginger into small pieces. Break the garlic in half and peel it in half. Of course, it is also possible not to peel the skin if you find it troublesome. Pour all the material into the wall breaker and smash it. Let them mix well. If you don't have a wall breaker at home, chop with a knife. After breaking, pour them into a transparent jar. Seal well. More than 10 days later, we can see the water in the jar has become particularly thick. You can take it out and use it now. Find a colander, put on a cloth, filter out the residue. Only take the liquid inside. We'd better take as much as we want, so as not to waste. The natural insect repellent water extracted in this way has a high concentration. Irritation may cause plant discomfort, even burn the plants. Direct spraying definitely won't work. You need to use the ratio of 15 milliliters per 1.5 liters of water. Use with water. Here's a bug on a vegetable leaf. These bugs will gnaw through the leaves. We bring it in. Test your own insect repellent. See how it works. Just spray it on. The bug is visibly uncomfortable. Started running around. After a period of time, the bug stops moving. Although the effect is not as strong as chemical pesticides, but after all, we raise our own flowers at home. Not many vegetables. Homemade insect repellent like this is enough. The most important thing is natural health. Friends who love planting can try it at home by themselves.